yourself. It's been a little while, but some big news. I actually just bought a new home. So one of the things I needed to do was put up a shower curtain because I don't have one. So this is a really easy thing that you can do on your own. You don't need to call a handyman or an expert in any way. You just go to your local hardware store. I like Home Depot. There's also Lowe's and like Ace Hardware and like other ones you might have heard of. Anyway, I just got myself a little tension rod, and all this does is we're just gonna put this right up here. So check this out. So first I'm gonna take off the plastic because, well, I'll get that in a minute. That's the end cap. I need that. So I'm gonna take off the how do I take off this paper? Oh, there we go. Oh, look, they had a little indentation thing. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty rewarding, actually. So I'm just gonna take that off right there. And then this is my tension rod. But man, I did get it. Okay, so each end has man, I'm not sure how this works actually. Oh, there's some directions right here. Okay, so I'm gonna look at this real quick. Okay, extend to wall, twist the smaller rod until tight, and then twist the end cap to make the rod tighter. Okay, so let's try this. I'm just gonna climb up here. Well, actually, I don't know if I'm gonna climb. But I'm just gonna go like this. You put it right here, and basically what happens is this is gonna make some tension. So I'm gonna do that. Let me read these directions again because this can get really tricky. Okay, extend to wall, twist the smaller rod until tight. Oh, it's getting tight, I think. Oh man, maybe. Is it? Yeah, it's getting tight. Okay. Now it says twist the end cap to make it even tighter or something. Okay, so look at that. That's all you do. It's such a simple thing. And then, as you can see, I don't know if I did it right, but it looks right. Wow, that doesn't look right. Actually, look how high this one is and how low this one is. But I think you can always just undo it and then slide it where you want it and then retighten it. It's a simple little thing. That's the beauty of these tension rods, is that the tension is just what keeps it in place. That's why it's called a tension rod. Alright, so now, the next step, once we've got our shower rod up, I bought these. These are just some like hooks that you can use these, and these are gonna go up here, and they go right on there like that. And this comes with like 12. So we're gonna put these up real quick. Okay, so as you can see, there's two spots here. One, we're gonna hang that shower liner on, and the other one, we're gonna hang the outer curtain on. And the curtain, I'll show you when I get to it, but there's little holes. You just slide it right on. It's pretty tricky, but you can do it. Oh, man. Oh, there we go. Okay. Alright, so the next step, I've got this PEVA shower liner. Now this is the part, this is just a medium weight. I got it from a store called Target, and it only costs like $6, I think, for this whole thing. And all this does is just lines your shower. And you'll see when I open this up, but really, it just has a bunch of holes, and you just hook those right in there. So we're gonna do that now. Now, man, I hope this is a good shower curtain rod thing, but You might be saying to yourself, well, hey, Drew, that looks pretty good. It's a white shower curtain, it looks pretty good. But that's just the liner. What we got now is something a little fancier. Look at this. I also got this at a little store called Target. And this is the shower curtain. So now, we just have to open this up. There's some little stickers every once in a while. You just gotta get those off. Oh, man. Well, I think I can get this. Okay. Oh, wow. So this just comes right out somehow. Oh, see, that was a little tricky hook. Now, what we do with this is the same kind of thing. We're just gonna hang it right up there. And there's an inside out. Look, you can tell that's the inside of the shower. You don't want the shower curtain. You don't want that. You want this nice pretty side on the outside. So we're just gonna hang this right up there and hang it right on this outside hook. So it's pretty easy, really. You just kind of go like that, hang it right on there. And we're gonna do it all the way across. Alright, so as you can see, we've now hung our shower curtain beautifully. And I think it looks pretty good. So anybody can do this. Now that you have this video, now you know how to do it. So good luck in all your do-it-yourself endeavors, and thanks for watching. Don't be afraid to subscribe down below and comment with some tips that you might have for hanging a shower curtain. But good luck in your shower curtain hangings, and we'll see you next time.